What's going on, guys? Howtoadvance back with another video. And today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy burger. If you stay until the end of the video, you will be able to learn these techniques and be on your way to applying them. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Yes, there is such a thing as a healthy burger, and here's how to build it using these 6 easy ways to grill up a good for you meal. Throwing a burger on the grill is probably not the first thing that comes to mind when you're looking for a healthy meal. But with a few smart changes, you can turn it into one. So light the grill and follow these guidelines. Method number 1, puree your beef. Lean beef contains less fat, but it dries out quickly. Mix in a puree of sautéed or roasted mushrooms and onions to replace up to 1/3 of the meat to add back some juiciness while lowering the calories and fat. Says Todd Seafarth, MS, RD, Director and Chair of the Nutrition and Dietetics Department at Johnson & Wales University in Providence, Rhode Island. Another option is to substitute cooked cracked bulgur wheat for 20% of the meat. It has the texture of ground beef and doesn't have any strong flavors, according to Seafarth. Make the burgers ahead of time and refrigerate them overnight to make them easier to cook, he says. Method number 2, improve your bun. A 100% whole grain bun adds fiber and other nutrients to your meal. Choices with more nutritious carbohydrates, on the other hand, can be oversized. A 3-ounce whole wheat Virginia roll from Great Harvest Bread, for example, contains 250 calories and 37 grams of carbohydrates. Slice rolls crosswise into 3 pieces rather than 2 to make them carb and calorie friendlier, if that's a goal of yours. Says Jackie Nugent, RDN, a healthy cooking instructor at the Institute of Culinary Education in New York City. Save the middle piece for toast. Or skip the bun and wrap the burger in sturdy leafy greens, such as collards, Nugent says. You can use them raw, just trim the thick stem and center ribs. Method number 3, grill in a safe manner. According to the National Cancer Institute, high-temperature cooking methods such as grilling can result in the formation of heterocyclic amines and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. These compounds that may increase cancer risk. To prevent these substances from forming, keep the flame low and flip the burgers frequently. Another option is to light the flames on one side of the grill while doing the majority of the cooking on the other and finishing the burger over high heat. Some studies suggest that incorporating thyme, black pepper, ginger, garlic, or rosemary extract into your patties may also inhibit the development of these compounds. Method number 4, cook completely. Use a meat thermometer to make sure burgers reach 160 degrees Fahrenheit, the minimum internal temperature to destroy harmful bacteria in ground meat. And be sure to use a fresh plate for cooked burgers. The tray you brought the raw patties out on could be contaminated. Method number 5, pile on the plants. Use the space between your burger and bun to add in a full serving of produce. Swap limp iceberg lettuce and pale tomatoes for microgreens and a thick slice of heirloom tomato. The trade will add nutrients and culinary intrigue, Nugent says. For the more adventurous, a slice of grilled pineapple adds flavor. A heaping spoonful of kimchi or sauerkraut provides healthy probiotics and a burst of flavor. Instead of cheese, try avocado. Its buttery mouthfeel is why it works so well, Nugent says. Method number 6, consider a veggie burger. Making some of your burgers meatless is a good health move. It can be as easy as grilling a large portobello mushroom cap with a meaty flavor. Alternatively, try this recipe. In a non-stick skillet, heat 1 teaspoon olive oil over medium heat. 4 to 5 minutes, sauté 1/4 cup finely chopped onion, red pepper, and 1 clove minced garlic until soft. Combine with 1 1/4 cups of cooked quinoa, 1/2 cup of panko, 1 egg, 1/2 cup of grated sharp cheddar, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. Add 1/2 cup of black beans, 1/2 cup of corn, 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, and 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. Form 6 patties gently with wet hands. Refrigerate for 30 minutes to 4 hours, uncovered. In a non-stick skillet, heat 1 tablespoon olive oil over medium heat. Cook the burgers for about 5 minutes, or until browned on one side. Cook for another 5 minutes on the other side. Serve with salsa and avocado on top. Thank you for watching the entire video, good luck and stay tuned.